Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Bandlab on PC. For that, open your browser and search Bandlab. Okay, choose the first option, Bandlab, and make music online. After entering to the website, choose app. In the app, choose desktop assistant as we are going to download this one for our Windows. Press download free for Windows. Wait until the download is completed. Okay, after completed the download, go to the file where it is located, press left click, and the installation process will begin. Wait until the installation process is completed. As you can see, the installation process has been completed. So allow, if this popped up, allow it. Okay, so if you have already created the account, choose the login option, or if you don't have any account, just press sign up. Thank you for watching the video.